Alright, so today we are going to finish up mounting the steel on the edge of our homemade flatbed. We got this all cut and cleaned, and you can see the headache rack there has already been painted and installed. This is just some regular hot rolled steel that cut down and measured and beveled, and it's going to be attached with some 3/8 carriage bolts. Those are just temporarily holding it in place right now. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and get our tack welds on and then pull this whole piece back off so we can finish welding it all the way around, and then paint it up and reinstall it. Okay, so now we've got our tack welds in place, and we've pulled the whole assembly off the back of the bed about 8 inches, so I can go ahead and do a full bead around everything without burning up the bed. We've reclamped to keep it from moving, keep it straight, keep it from warping. And when I was tacking these, I just went back and forth to keep the heat spread around as much as possible. If you focus all your heat in one spot, you will warp the metal, and it will no longer be in the same position that it was. So we're going to do that same concept here. Run a bead from tack to tack, then switch back over here and run a bead from tack to tack. Oh, it helps if I put my ground clamp back on. See? Still making mistakes. Can't weld without a ground clamp. The other side. Oh, I think I have enough of it welded together now that I don't have to move my ground clamp anymore. Pain in the ass. Now I'm stitch welding the bottom part in because the gap's a little wider and I'm trying to control heat all this metal was cut by hand, so while the gap is pretty consistent, it's not 100% perfect. Clean this off again. I'm going to pause you right there and finish this up.